এই গন্ডগোলটা
सर आप थोड़ा इधर आइए।
This is the inauguration of the pavilion, and in presence of yours,
ধাক্কা দিও না
and this is the one that Rakesh Sharma, he came, and this is
Sir, this side also please. Sir, this side also. Sir, this side. How many sides?
So now I want to have one volunteer আমাদের তরফ থেকে দরজাটা কিন্তু যেন খোলা থাকে যাতে ম্যাক্সিমাম মানুষজন ঢুকবেন না
এই আমরা এইখানটা দাঁড়াই, এখানে একটা ফটো স্ট্যান্ড করে বেরিয়ে সবচেয়ে ভালো।
স্যার স্যার এদিকে ঘুরে স্যার বাবারে
their signature. So everybody who went to space, all their signatures are in this room. Okay. In fact, on the other room that you were there, Neil Armstrong's hair is there.
মোবাইলটা সরাবেন
I will also take out one here. No. At least one give us. Then Neil Armstrong hair is there. There is a rock from 38 days. So everybody first, all the Russians, and then the Americans, John Glenn,
পেছন
and the Charlie Wright. Charlie Wright's. No. I'm sorry. You have to be very far away. As I said, everybody's signature is here. This is Rakesh Sharma's collection. Okay, so I will have one picture that already did. So we have another one. I will show you one particularly interesting one. This is my actually classmate. Okay, this is University of Chicago. This is my picture. This is John. This is when we were students. So he went to NASA and he went to Caltech and NASA. I also went to Caltech to NASA, but I was doing theory and he went to. So this is the thing he gave it to us, to Professor Chakraborty. So this is from here. This is Rakesh Sharma. Those flags are from the second space shuttle. That is the one that from ISS. Milstein, somebody he gave it to us. I will also show you one more. You don't have to go that far because it is too much crowd over there. There is a belt there. Here all of them are original.
বাঁদিকে যাও না,
সামনের ক্যামেরাম্যান হাত নামাও, হয়ে গেলে
একটু হাত নামাও,
পেছনের থেকে নিতে দিন।
Two Suvanshu Shukla in this room. I am other
আরে দাঁড়ান আপনি ইচ্ছে
please. Can you just So there are two brothers, twin brothers. One went to space and one remained on Earth.
আপনি গার্ড হয়ে যাচ্ছে স্যার একটু সরে যান।
করছিস তোরা আমাকে বিক্রি করে